So let's go ahead and do part 3 of dividing fractions, dividing by whole numbers. Okay, we're going to be using the same rules as before. The one that we're going to be adding is number 2. We're going to convert whole numbers to fractions by rewriting the whole number as the numerator and writing a 1 for the denominator. There's 2 types of problems we're going to encounter. You can divide a whole number by a fraction, or you can divide a fraction by a whole number. The rules are still the same though, okay? So let's do a couple of examples. Okay, number 14 and number 15. Okay, let's do number 15 first, and then we'll do something like number 14. 9 divided by 1/2. What's rule number 1, Pew? Step 1.
Convert mixed number to fraction.
Do we have a mixed number?
No.
No? Okay. Step 2, Salud, just the black letters. Okay, so we have to convert whole numbers to fractions. Do you guys remember how to do that?
Yeah.
What?
9 on the top and 1 on the bottom.
9 on the top, 1 on the bottom, right? That was easy. What's number 3, Cha?
Leave the first fraction.
Okay, so we're going to go ahead and leave the first fraction as is. 9/1, okay? What's step number 4, Pew?
Turn the division sign into a multiplication sign.
So we're going to turn the division into multiplication. Good. And Salud, what's the last, step 5?
Fill the second half.
So we're going to flip the half, and it's going to become 2/1, okay? Good deal. So, now what do we have to do? What's the next step, Cha?
Simplify.
Can we simplify in there? No? What's the next step, Pew?
Multiply the
Numerator?
yeah,
And multiply what else? The next step?
denominator.
Okay, so what's 9 times 2, Pew? What's 9 times 2?
Oh, 18.
Okay. What's 1 times 1?
1.
What's the last step, Salud? And?
Rewrite.
So how can we write 18/1?
Divided by 18. Divided by.
Well, you can divide it by 18, 18 goes into,
It's 18.
it's
1.
to 1. I'm sorry. I wrote that wrong. 1 goes into 18 times, okay? Or if you remember this rule, every time there's a 1 on the bottom, it's just a whole number. Okay? Good. So that was one type of problem. Let's do the other type. Okay, so we had the number on the left. Now we're gonna have the whole number on the right. Do you see number 15 here? 1/3 divided by 3. Okay, what's step number 1, Shaw?
Convert mixed numbers to fractions.
Do we have a mixed number?
No.
Okay. What's step number 2, Salu?
Convert whole numbers to fraction.
Okay, so how can we convert that 3 into a fraction? Okay, line over, just basically put a 1, right? Okay. What's the next step, Pew?
Leave the first fraction.
Okay, let the first fraction be, okay. What's the next step, Chuck?
Turn the division sign into a multiplication sign.
Okay, so we're going to convert it to multiply. Salu, what's the next one? We're going to flip them, okay. So the 3/1 becomes 1/3, correct? Okay. What's the next step? Simplify? Can we simplify this problem?
No.
How?
No.
Okay, look at the top of first one in the center. Okay, and on the first page I have the little drawing telling you how to simplify. Can we simplify that?
No.
No, right? Remember, we never simplify top to top or bottom to bottom. Okay, so what's the next step?
Multiply the numerator.
Okay, 1 times 1 is what?
1.
Okay, what's the next step?
3.
The
Oh.
numerator.
3 times 3 is
9.
9.
okay. What's the last step? Simplify and rewrite. Can we simplify or rewrite this anyway?
No.
No. So we're done, right? Okay. Do you guys need me to do another problem or are we good? Good. Okay.